The project name is Smart Women Friendly Modern Kitchen. The purpose of this project is to prepare a smart kitchen that does not strain women in the kitchen. See, normally we have observed that women are facing knee pains due to continuous standing in the kitchen for cooking and various other purposes. In this project, we have prepared a kitchen cabinet, kitchen platform that is movable up and down. If the lady wants to sit down and do the cooking, the platform will come down, and if she wants to stand and do the cooking, the platform will move upward. It has got a facility of a sink and a cooking arrangement. It has got an exhaust fan and a light operated by battery. Now let us see the demo operation of one by one. When we connect the battery, the platform keeps moving. This motor will pull the platform upward. Once it reaches the required height, we will stop the platform. Now similarly, the platform can also be pulled down. Now the platform is going down. This way we can adjust the height of the platform. Connecting the battery on the top, we can operate the light. The light is glowing right now, and the fan is also rotating for exhaust purposes.